Okay, hello, gandang gabi. Luneta Park tayo. Tara, pasyal tayo konti.
Yung dalawa nandun.
Okay. Lalapit tayo kay Jose Rizal. Okay, dito. Ayun. Ayun sila, namamasyal. Mga cute, oh. Oh, shout out sa mga cutes. Hello. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Marami nagpipicture-picture dito. Makikigaya tayo. Makikjoin tayo. Parang kagaya sa kanila. Okay. Oh, ayan ah. Ayan si Rizal. Oh, okay. The national hero of the Philippines, Jose Rizal. Oh, ayan ah. Okay. Focus konti. Oh, ayan ah. Okay. Ayan. So, guys. Subscribe. Okay. Guys, everywhere in the world, all the people who have lives worldwide, this is Luneta Park, Luneta, Philippines. So, the national hero, Rizal. Okay. Subscribe. Ayun. Okay. The national flagpole. Okay. Flagpole. Oh, yun. Okay. So, yan. Oh, ganda ng decoration. The green field of Luneta Park. So, yan. Okay, oh. Nice lightings. Only here in Luneta Park, Manila. Okay. Okay guys, keep it up. Subscribe. Thank you, subscribe. Thank you.